primary focus of our company is our impulse flushing process, Comprex. We are the inventors of Comprex and have been working very successfully with our cleaning process since 1997, consistently achieving outstanding results.
We clean various pipe loading systems and effectively remove deposits from them. This is done exclusively using a combination of air and water. Sounds simple initially, but there are years of experience, research and development.
We are service providers and also manufacture mobile and stationary cleaning systems. Back then, we started out as a classic service provider in the municipal sector, cleaning drinking water distribution networks and wastewater pressure pipes. As of now, this particular area continues to be an essential and significant pillar that holds great importance for us.
Later, we included the cleaning of drinking water installations in buildings in our portfolio. And since then, we have also been addressing Legionella, Pseudomonas, and turbidity issues with Comprex. For instance, in schools, hotels, and clinics, or even kindergartens. Wherever there are issues with contamination or corrosion, we arrive with our Comprex team.
We are continuously working on creating innovative solutions for the diverse challenges faced by our customers. And so it has naturally come about that we have also been active in the industry for many years. In the industry, we mainly clean cooling circuits, heat exchangers, cooling lubricant systems, and product lines.
And we are active in all industries. For example, in the pharmaceutical industry, chemistry, automotive, or in the plastic injection molding sector. We have a wide range of diverse areas where we apply our expertise.
How does it work? After planning, our technicians go to the customer with our equipment for implementation. In order to clean the pipeline, we introduce compressed air in pulses into the corresponding section of the pipeline. Through the combination with water, we are able to generate incredibly high flow velocities of up to 20 meters per second within the pipeline system.
And these mechanical forces subsequently dissolve the deposits within and facilitate their transportation out of the pipeline. The special thing about our process is its flexibility. We clean pipelines with a diameter ranging from a few millimeters to over 1 meter.
Currently, we are working, for example, on applying Comprex to very small nominal sizes, namely for the cleaning of flexible endoscopes. At present, we are in the process of building our first cleaning device for the medical industry, once again taking a completely new direction. Our vision here is also to establish a new standard of cleanliness with Comprex.
Our deployment technology is created in our technical center. Here beats the actual heart of our company. Here we develop and build a wide variety of Comprex units and equip our large trailers with technical features. Since the year 2018, our subsidiary has also been manufacturing custom cleaning systems for permanent utilization at the customer's location.
We invest in research and, as a result, take the opportunity to continuously develop Comprex in a targeted manner. We carry out the studies on our own test facilities. You are warmly welcome to come and see Comprex up close and personal at our location to get a live and authentic impression of our operations and witness the quality of our work firsthand.
Since our start, we've grown from a 2-person team into a medium-sized family business. So we began small here in our lovely southern Palatinate region and are currently journeying throughout Germany and various parts of Europe.
We were often brave and ventured into new areas of responsibility, and that's how it should continue in the future.